everyone, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. How's everyone doing tonight? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to my channel. I'm here to share what I won, or to show you what I won from a drawing that Renee at GT Designs and Vintage Art Supplies had on YouTube. She was showing in her video several books and I think book covers and things. And she said, just enter. And she said, actually tell me in the comments which one you like best, so that if your name gets drawn, that's, you know, probably what you would win. So I couldn't pick anything at the time because I couldn't choose. I couldn't decide. I liked everything, so I just put I like everything. So that meant, you know, what I won was kind of chosen for me because I couldn't pick anything. So I think I know what I ended up with, but I'm not really sure, so we'll find out together. And so it's a fun little drawing. Several people won packages from Renee, and it's GT, like G as in good, T as in Tom. So it's GT Designs and Vintage Art Supplies on YouTube. So if you don't, you know her YouTube, just go over and check her out. And she has an Etsy shop too. So it's all wrapped very nicely in this nice kind of like newspaper print paper. So let's just, she's got a big piece of tape right here, so I'm going to have to tear this to get it open. And we'll see what I got, what I won. I'm sure it all looks like cool stuff, so I can't wait to see what I got. So she just says congratulations. And so these look like book covers and things like that. Thank you for participating. So awesome. So cute little card. It's got she stapled some trim on the top right here. It's cute. Okay, so it's like a journaling card that she used to write a note on. Has some lines here, and she put some trim up there. That's a cute way to do it. Very nice. And we've got some nice trim here, or, you know, things that I can use as a, like on tags, like for a string or whatever. So I will definitely use that again. And then, let's see, it's very long. It's a good size piece there. And we'll see what I got. So let me move this. And what I got is what I won. So she said that these were gutted books. So this is a book on spiders. Very old looking and very cool. This could probably be cleaned up and made into a journal. Very cool. There you go. Awesome. And here's a cute one. Read about me and the bee who knew everything. Isn't that cute? That would be a cute little journal. Make a glue book or a journal out of that. It's a good size for a glue book. And it would be a cute one. It could be bee, you know, have a bee theme. So that's awesome. That's a cute little bee. And let's see, we just got one page in here. Isn't that cute? Such a good idea to just, you know, if you're not going to use the covers, just, you know, do a little giveaway. So here's an old, really old cover. This is from Applied Entomology. So, but this cover is really cool, and I could do some layering on here, and just really neat. Some writing here and a few pages left in here. You can tell it's old. I could cut some of these out and use them, possibly. Some of these pictures and things. So really neat for layering. Very, very cool. I love old books. Now here's a paper. This one was a paperback. Frog. It's about a frog. And here he is. He's so cute. I love frogs. Here's a little butterfly. I do love frogs. I actually do love frogs. It says Mr. Frog here. And I have collected frogs since I was a kid. I don't really collect them anymore, but I had quite a collection when I was a teenager, and it's is so cool because my my oldest son married a girl that loves frogs too. So she's got like a frog bathroom at their house and stuff. So something we have in common. So cool. Here's a cute horse on the back. So this is a cute little cover. Sometimes I'll do a journal with a cover like this, a paperback cover, especially a big one that you can fold in half and make a really cute journal out of. So that could be a possibility. That I could fold this in half in some way, like that, or like, I guess it would be like that. But I'll have to experiment with that and see what I can do. That could be something cute. So that's awesome. Thank you, Renee. Now here's a cute one that looks like possibly a beetle. Don't know anything about bugs except for maybe some bees. So there's a little CD in here. Isn't that neat? So yeah, this could be the same type of thing. So yeah, fold in half. And here's another one. Look, a few pages in here. Oh, cute. There's a cute butterfly on the back. I could cut that out and use that on in layering or on a tag or something. So you just never know how you can. Now this would be really cute journal cover, bee related. See how cute this would be? This would be awesome. It's perfect with the honeycomb, and you've got a bee right there. That would be awesome. Let's see what the back looks like. There's a little bee right there in the back. I could cut him out and use the front. I would cover this writing with something pretty. So yeah, definitely future bee journal right there. So here's an insect cover. This could be a glue book cover. I'm not sure about that. It's kind of big, so I'm not sure, but it is cool looking with the big eyes. It looks like eyes. So colorful little bugs up here. So cute. This says Wildlife Encyclopedia. Let's see, this is kind of stuck right here. So that's a nice big book cover. Yeah, that's a big one. But I like the pictures on it. The butterfly's cool. And a fish eye. I think that's a fish. Thank you, Renee. These are so cute. Oh, look at this one. This could be a journal cover. Look how cute. Flower. Bright yellow flower. It says right here. And then you've got the flower. It looks like it's sewn like felt. Here's a bird. Another frog. A little butterfly. And here's a bee. And a little ladybug. So cute. Very nice. You never know what people will do with things when you send them things. You know, it's a challenge to sometimes when you get something different to figure out, you know, what you can do with them. This is really super cute. Look at all the little praying mantis, and I think there's a praying mantis, a little like an inchworm, and some bees and ladybugs on there. That's really cute. Yes, it is. And I could fold it this way or possibly this way. I have to just experiment with some of these things. But yeah, that's what I won from GT Designs. And that was really awesome of Renee to do that drawing. So I'll link her information below this video. And you just can go check her out and check out her Etsy shop. She's got some really awesome supplies in her shop, and that was GT Designs and Vintage Art Supplies. So thank you, Renee. A bunch of cute stuff here. I can't wait to figure out what I'm going to do with it. And everybody have a good night. That's it for tonight. See you next time.